Hello and welcome to another cooking rodeo with the Tater Cowgirls. We are both here today and look at my eyes, I can see. It took a little of the left eye, the last surgery. My eye was still fuzzy, but now I have stellar eyesight in both eyes, even in the dark. I think I never could look that good. My eyesight was never better. Anyway, we want to do something special today, and you know the holiday season is coming up, so that might be something you could put in a jar to bring to holiday parties. I have a October 7 surprise breakfast healthy snack party. My boss has birthday. Alyssa, our lab tech, has birthday October 7. And I celebrate my last day to be 59 on October 7. So all three of us will be celebrating, so I thought I'd bring some healthy snacks, and what we make today will be one of them. I'm making fruit roll-ups today. I have so many berries and I didn't know what to do, so that's a healthy snack. I like sweet stuff, and I noticed recently when I eat sugar, I have inflammation in my body. I'm in excruciating pain, actually. And we tried several things, you know, left out certain things, and it's always sugar is one of the things. And bread might be another one. So right now I only eat rye pumpernickel and no sugar at all. Anyway, those fruit roll-ups are without sugar, and will taste wonderful, are healthy, and Eddie likes them too. And if you have carried the dog, you have to wash your hands if you help me, okay? Alright, let's get started right away. Oh, I wanted to show you, before we get started, I wanted to show you something. I found at Whole Foods oat yogurt. Look at that. Oat, this is strawberry rhubarb. Just wanted to show you because I like them. It's 0% fat. That is 1% fat. This is sweet mango, and I had a pear fig with 0% fat. So these oat yogurts, when I opened them, let me open one for you. I kind of didn't like the color, but they're really good. This is my new favorite, and it really fits with the McDougall diet because they are really either the 0% fat or 1%. I didn't see any higher. And another thing I found, you know, I usually use that better than bouillon when I cook, the vegan vegetable broth. Also the non-chicken broth is also vegan. And now I found at Knob Hill, I found another one. Vegan roasted garlic base. It's based on garlic. Oh, that's so good if you make potato soup or something like that. Use that one. Oh, it's good. So I wanted to show you those. Maybe a little closer. Oh. And now we start. It's a roll-up. So we are making berry roll-ups today. So I have 2 cups of strawberries. Then I had leftover blueberries, 1 cup, and I filled up the cup with just a few raspberries which I had left over. You know, I hate throwing stuff away, and I don't want them to get moldy, so I just do something with it. And now I take you down to my food processor. Alright, so we pour those in. And pour those in. We need 1 teaspoon. You want to put the teaspoon lemon juice in it?
Yeah.
Okay. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. It's also for color, the lemon juice. It doesn't get so brown. It's a nice red color. Alright. And we need a tablespoon of raw honey. So you can take maple syrup, you can take sugar, but I can't. And I just take a tablespoon, or 2 tablespoons raw honey. Honey is
Healthy.
yeah, I like it because it helps with inflammation in the body, and so I use honey. But you can use maple syrup, agave syrup, or
It's a little hard.
or whatever you wanna, or sweeten, or you don't use anything. I recommend to use a little bit something. Okay. And honey, for some reason, doesn't do any harm to me. I need another one. I need another one. Honey, to some reason, does not cause pain in my body, so it does help me. This is bought at farm fresh raw honey. That's what we buy here. Local honey from the beekeepers. It's a firm one, but I like the firm one because we don't want to have too much liquid in there. That's enough honey. Okay, so we got everything in. You could put a little bit vanilla in, you could put mint in, it's up to you. I wouldn't recommend to do banana, that gives an ugly color. But you can do applesauce roll-ups, you can do mango or apricots. It's all good. Kiwi, it's another one I like. Okay, let's get that in and mix it. You want it nice and smooth. Puree. Puree-ish. Look at it. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Looks nice and smooth to me. Put that in the sink. Oh, the oven should be on 175 preheated, and it will take 5 to 6 hours. It's like a drying action, not a baking action. We dry the fruit roll-ups, and you use either a silicone pad or parchment paper. So I have parchment paper here. I did one, not even, almost 5 hours. I have one in the oven on a silicone pad. So I can show you how it looks when it comes out. It does have to take a little, it's not there yet. But I show you how we start that. Okay. On the parchment paper. Not too thin, not too thick. Just spread it a little. Like a triangle. Look how nice that is. You wanna try?
Yep.
You can lick it up. Okay, there's some strawberry left. Okay. You just spread it a little. Like a not a triangle,
Rectangle.
a square, a rectangle, or a square, whatever you have. Not too thin, because then you can't roll, you can take it off, breaks. So it's kind of, you get the hang of it when you see it. All right. And that's all you have to do. It's really easy. So we put that one in the oven 5 to 6 hours. We check when it's gets leathery and doesn't is not soft anymore. Then you take it out, and then we roll it up in rolls. I show you the one I have in right now. takes maybe half an hour more, I assume. When I look at it, looks good. But half an hour more. Want to see it? So it's almost done. It looks like leather on the silicone mat, so we can look at that later when it's done. Put it on 5 hours and then I will check. And I see you again when one of the roll-ups are done. Okay, so hang tight, I'm back soon. Hello, we're back. And this is the second cookie sheet I just took out. I just wanted to show you how it looks like when it comes out. It should be leathery, shouldn't be springy anymore. So I had that one in for 6.5 hours. My oven is old, you might do 5 hours. After 5 hours I checked it every 30 minutes. Then the first cookie sheet we took out, and we rolled it up and we already ate it. This is the rest. I just wanted to show you what we did. So we rolled it up in little roll-ups. See that? And then we put it on a you can eat it. You can. She likes it, so that's good. So that's how we eat it. We put it on a plate and roll it up and eat it. But, and I put it down right now that you see more. If you wanna give it away on a vacation, on a holiday party, you can roll it up with the parchment paper. By the way, this one I was on a silicone sheet, so I just peeled it off the silicone sheet and cut it in stripes and rolled it up. It probably has to still, see, it rolls by itself already. See that? Can you see that? See, you can just peel it off the paper. That's a sign that it's done. So I should wait. It's not cool enough yet, but it's already peeling from the paper. See that? Yeah. And in the silicone mat it's even easier. So what we did, so I show you on one side where it's already nice. So you can, put it in a nice cookie jar. Roll it up here. And you roll it with the parchment paper. See that? And if you have a nice Christmas sticker or something, to put it on top. No, I think we leave it here. Anywhere. Eddie eats the rest. So you can roll it with the parchment paper. See, and then you put a little sticker here or a ribbon, and then you put it in a nice glass. And if you have different fruits, you have all kinds of colors. I think that's a really cool present to bring to a holiday party. I'll put it here for now. You can put the rest, I think. This way it's more hygienic. If you do it like for family, you don't need the parchment paper, but if you give it to somebody, it's a little bit more cleaner, Yeah. I let that dry in the middle. That's still too hot to to do it, but I can do it here. And peaches, I rolled it without parchment paper. Did you see the difference? So this is without parchment paper. That's with. Oh. We do another one. Yeah, it peels. It peels nicely. Let's do one more. Here's one without parchment paper. You want one more? I didn't put parchment paper on this one. That's a little soft still, so I stopped here because that has to pull a little.
I like it when it's soft. You can have a better taste.
That's really good, huh? It's good.
You can taste the flavor better when it's soft.
Yeah, it's really good. Yeah, so that's something to bring to parties. It takes a little to do them, but they're mainly in the oven. It's not hard to put them in the mixer. They're nice. So, I hope you liked the cooking rodeo today. I'll see you next weekend when we do another cooking rodeo with the Tater Cowgirls. It's the same California. And peace out and pow.